World Asthma Day is on 5th because it's a very significant disease. All castes and creed of people, sparing nobody, all people in the country may have this particular disease. And if you really look at it, almost about 10% of the people in the country seem to be suffering from asthma. 10% of the population has got asthma, and even in medicine you have different terms for that. As doctors they call it allergic bronchitis, allergy, bronchial allergy, this and that. But let me tell you one thing. When we talk about asthma, we are talking about a very, very specific disease wherein an individual has got a breathing difficulty secondary to an allergy. Now, what is allergy? That is, almost everybody, even every one of you, when you go out in a very dusty atmosphere, you tend to sneeze once, twice, maybe. But in a person with asthma, in the same condition, he will probably sneeze about 20 times, 30 times, or 50 times. And along with that, he will also have breathing difficulty. Whereas a normal person may cough once or twice, but a person with asthma will have severe breathing difficulty. That is the difference. So, asthma essentially means somebody who is reacting abnormally to environmental pollutants. Maybe it may be dust, it may be pollen, it may be fungal spores, anything. But the individual is reacting abnormally to these elements wherein he has breathing difficulty. Now, if any of you have seen a patient of asthma, you will understand why it is called such a disease and why people are so scared about that disease. Of number of people who are suffering from asthma in the world. And if look at it, the prevalence, that is the number of people as a percentage, is about almost between 3 to 10% according to different studies. Accurate studies in some countries, they have given a figure of 8.6 in some of these countries, but in other countries where the estimate is very, very low, particularly in our country, where we have not done enough studies to find out the number of cases, there have been various estimates. Some people say 3%, some people say 12%, but it is safe to assume that we are also among the same average as the rest of the world. That means almost about 8 to 9% of the population is suffering from asthma. And it is estimated that asthma is growing significantly, so that by the next decade, you will have probably 100 million more patients. That is, from 300 it may climb to almost 400 million patients. So this is the same thing, whether it is a child, whether it is an adult, whether it is a male, whether it is a female. Almost all of them are affected by this particular disease, almost to the same extent.